Hello, Assalamu alaikum, uh, dear audience. Today, I will talk about the text formula, right? In the last videos, some previous videos, we have talked about math functions or stat functions, logical function. And in the very previous first video, I talked about interface of the Excel, right? Understanding the interface of Excel. Okay, right now it's time to learn the text formulas. So here you will see there are lots of text formula. For example, right, left, right, mid, length, upper, lower, right? Concatenate, text join, search, replace, and many more. Okay. So if you go to the formula and here you will see there are lots of text formulas in here, right? So in the last video, actually, I told you that each and every formula is not equally important for all, right? But many formulas are frequently uses. Okay, so we'll learn that types of formula. So first of all, for example, clean formula, right? One is the clean formula. In many cases, actually, you may experience these types of uh, important value. So if you collect the primary data, right? So it's quite low chance to get these types of data as you will control your data collection uh, or when you design the database, right, for data collection. So you'll not get these types of data. But when you download the data from web, then you may face these types of problems. So we need to clean it, right? It's a very simple. Uh, for example, I just delete it. Okay, equal clean, right? First parenthesis, just select this cell and bracket close and enter. Okay, so after drag and drop, so you will get all the data are clean. You see here there is no error terms or any, how can I say, picture or any signs in sign, right? SIGN. Okay, so in here, right? So it's a very cleaned value. On the other hand, so it's a very simple example, actually, clean data. On the other hand, the exact data. So exact, it means in many cases you need to calculate or you need to identify. Uh, there are two columns maybe, right? So both the columns are exactly matches or not, right? So say for example here, if we take here equal to exact is exact, right? So first parenthesis, so it's saying text one. So this is the text one, and after that it's saying asking for comma and text 2, right? Just take it close and enter. So it gives the value true, I mean the feedback. Okay, why? Because here the Excel and this Excel is exactly matches. For example, E is the capital letter, E is the capital letter, and remaining of the parts are small letter, and remaining of the parts are in small letter, right? So exactly matched. The other hand, if I drag and drop here, you see here it's a false because Excel and Excel, here X is small letter, but here X is capital. It's not exactly matches, right? Okay, that is why. In this case, it's true because it's exactly matches. In this case, is false. It's not exactly match, right? So we can use the match function, sorry, exact function in this case, right? Okay. On the other hand, the find function, right? So many students actually make a mistake when they practice the find function. Why? Because, uh, for example, find they mix up. It's a search function, right? For example, what is this? Actually, find, it means I will find the position, right? Because all the data, we are talking about the text data, right? So all the data are in here is a text. So I would like to find the position of my text, right? Position of my text once again. So for example, I'm writing here. Okay, so equal, right? Find first parenthesis, find text. I mean, which text I'm finding? So I'm finding this text, right? So comma within text, from where I will text find the x, this text, right? Okay, and after that I need to define the starting position, right? So I will make here in 1, so bracket close. It means I will find the x here from this source data sets, and the searching start, I mean the search start from the first position. That is why I put in here. Okay, just click enter. So 2, it means x is in second position in this source. Please see here, in second position in this source, right? Okay, in this way we can find the position, not searching something or searching x from the excel. I am searching x's position here. Okay, on the other hand, for example, see here excel, I would like to find, just drag and drop. So excel is in 12th position, right? So please see here, if I count this one, excel, excel, 5 character, space 1 character, I mean 6, with 4 character, I mean 10, and then space 1 character, it means 11, then it is start, right? Excel. So excel is in the 12th position, right? And here you will find the value is error, because can you find this? But I would like to find excel, right? But here you will not find the excel. That is why it's give the error value. Okay. Okay, on the other hand, so it's to be honest, and once again, uh, please remember, find, it means the find the position. It doesn't mean you are searching something. Okay, so here we'll learn lowercase, uppercase, and the proper case. Okay, so what is lowercase? Lowercase, lower, it means all the cases of my text will be lower cases, right? Upper, it means all my text, all the text in my text or cell will be uppercase, and proper, all the first value, sorry, first letter of the words, right, will be the capital, and remaining part of the text will be small, I mean lowercase, right? For example, I'm copying a text, for example, computer applications in business, right? Control C, and for example here, say for example control V, I have paste here, right? um, okay, I should made it uh, here, for example it here, right? Okay, computer applications in business, right? So all the cases are in the small letter, right? So I would like to make it the uppercase, for example equal, uh, sorry, upper, right? So find here, just select it, bracket close, enter. Please see, all the texts are in uppercase, right? On the other hand, if I would like to make this proper case, in this case actually equal, proper, right? So please select here, please see here, computer C is capital, application A is capital, in I is capital, business B is capital. So it's a proper case, right? On the other hand, if I make it all the how can I say, say for example this one is all the uppercase, right? So for example, I'm pasting here. Okay, here, pasting here. Uh, okay, it's all about the uppercase, right? I would like to make it a lowercase, but equal lower, right? So first parenthesis, enter. That's great. Okay, it's all the lowercase. So it means original text, or I mean source, right? Source. Okay. So upper. This is lower, and this is, oh, I'm sorry, this is proper, right? uh, Proper, and here the lawyer, right? So within very short time we have already learned 4 functions, I mean 4 text formulas. What are that? So one is the clean function, find, exact, and upper, lower, and proper. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So within very few times we have already learned 6 formulas of text formula, right? 6 function of text formula. Okay, so I will talk about more functions of text formula in the next video. So after now, keep me in your prayers, right? Okay, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.